Hi, welcome to MacMinute by GetMeGeeky.com. In this 60 seconds, I'm going to cover Apple's guided access. They call it guided access, I call it child lock. We're going to jump into settings, go to General, scroll down, go to Accessibility, scroll down, go to Guided Access, go ahead and turn that on. Set a quick passcode, ask for it twice. Now we're going to go back out and see how it works. If I have my kid reading Dr. Seuss's ABCs, I'll triple click the home button and then go ahead and start guided access. With that on, when they press the home button, they will not be able to exit the book. To get out of it, triple click again, put your passcode, and press end. And that's a wrap for this Mac Minute.